Well, all right, here we are at another home, and we're in Edgewood, Washington right now. Today we're going to be washing all these solar panels right now. Dylan is already working on trying to increase the efficiency of the solar panels, and so I talked to the homeowner. He got a reading for what they've been averaging for the last few days, and we'll know soon if we're helping him create more energy. So exciting! I'm going to turn around and get some more shots of this solar panel shots. Here we go. All right, here we are with Dylan, and we're cleaning solar panels today. I don't know if we can see how dirty they are where he has not been. He's been working from his left to his right, and he's just doing one panel at a time, working across the top. And so that way he's using a water-fed pole system that we've got hooked up right here. In fact, we've got a second one right over here that we're going to be using in just a moment, but wanted to get a little bit of video on what this process looks like. It's kind of tiring work because Dylan's got to use his all arms, so we always say in this job, it's always arm day, never leg day. But here he is washing solar panels. We'll know in a few minutes how well this is working for us. All right, I just climbed up onto the roof to get these 9 remaining solar panels, and I wanted to try to see if I could get a look at the bottom ledge where the water kind of sits, and just to see if I could see how dirty they are. They are dirty. We're going to clean them up, and then I'll get another video right in just a minute. It's hard to see this dirty water coming off of this, but I can see the dirt with my naked eye. I can see it. We're getting them clean. Wish we could see a little bit better, more detail, but they're coming clean. I love it. All right, here we are. We've got these 9 solar panels on the roof, all clean. And we're just waiting for these last 2 to dry. Those were the last 2 that I did right there. So once those dry, they're going to dry spotless like these ones right here. They look awesome. Let's go down and see what kind of efficiency we've increased these by. 29 solar panels clean. And looks like that job took us about an hour.